I just opened the box and found solar lights, and I cannot be more excited because I love lights. I love, practical lights, outdoors, indoors, it doesn't matter. These ones here are really, really nice. Now, obviously solar, look at the solar cell, huge solar cell, very high quality actually, which I love. And then you've got the biggest, we're not talking a small little throw here. This is a big spotlight type of light. And what I also love is that you have different options. Yes, you've got the power on and off button. Right now, believe it or not, they're on. That means they're able to get and regenerate some of that energy with the solar panel at the top. And you can see that green light is on because I also have the option of changing different things. Intensity and also, yes, color. Now this pack is the bi-color one, meaning I can go cool bi-color and just cool warm light or warm white. There is also a multi-color pack, which is cool. They come in different size packs, obviously 1 to 12 different ones, and I'm thinking I need to get that 12. Now, look at this. Look how many LEDs you've got here. So this, you've got cool, this is the bicolor, and this is the warm. And then the button just below, I can change the intensity. This is the highest intensity, lowest, mid, and the highest. Now, the cool thing with this is I'm gonna leave it at the highest. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do in terms of bicolor. Maybe bicolor would be nice outside. You could throw it on a wall, maybe on the facade of the house, or maybe in some bushes by a garden. And the cool thing, it is dusk to dawn, meaning it will regenerate through the day and be off throughout the day. And as soon as the sun sets, this turns on automatically. So there's no lights to flick, there's no app to go to, it just works. The other cool thing with this pack, and this is the first time I've ever seen it, yes, we all know about this. So obviously this goes like that, and I can pike it to the ground. This is how I am installing them around the house. But I love the fact that you also have this setup right here. Comes with the hardware, and I can actually set it up this way on a wall. So if I have a wall by the house or maybe by the shed, I could literally have this on the wall. Solar panel is still getting there, and then I've got the proper throw. I can decide if I want to bring it down or straight up, and then it's still going to work perfectly. So yeah, I love that, having that kind of option. But yeah, I think 4-pack is definitely not enough. I'm gonna have to get some more.